Hi, this is Titi Sleepy Bunny Bun with cherry or orange on top. So, today's tutorial is making these super cute accessories for amigurumi. Let's start by making a magic ring. Please check materials and any details in the description. Now we make 5 single crochet in the magic ring. To make a single crochet, insert your hook in the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the both loops. This is a single crochet. Let's mark it with a stitch marker as the first stitch. Now let's make the second single crochet. This is the third, fourth, and the last one. Pull it tightly to close the magic ring so there is no hole anymore. Okay, now let's start the second round. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Put the stitch marker on. And then in the same stitch, we make one more single crochet. So there are 2 single crochets in the same stitch. It's called increase. In round 2, we are going to increase in each stitch. So in the end of the round, we will have 10 stitches. Anyway, if you want Titi Sleepy Bunny no shoe crochet pattern, I put the link in the description. You can check it out. For round 3, we are going to decrease. To make a decrease, insert your hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook in the second stitch, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all loops. This is a decrease. Let's do it 4 more times. Insert your hook in the third stitch, pull up a loop. Insert your hook in the fourth stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, please continue it until the end of the round 3. Slip stitch in the first decrease. Cut the yarn. To close the remaining hole, we are using tapestry needle. Insert it only in the front loops of 5 remaining stitches, like this. Now we can hide the tail. Now let's make the stem. To make the stem, we begin with slip knot. And then 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cut the yarn. Using a tapestry needle, we bring the tail in the same side. Okay, now let's join this stem with the orange or cherry. Yay! The orange accessory is ready to make your plushie more pretty. Happy trying and see you on the next video.